is approaching and we all are excited to know that what future holds for us in year 2021. As per numerology, I, Nisha Gai, astrologer, palmist and numerologist, is going to tell you that what is in store in your destiny, in your future in 2021. 2020 was pretty depressive, but 2021 is a year of Mercury. And as we know, the 2021 year will be governed by planet Mercury as per numerology. Mercury is a planet for education, learning, speech, conversation, communication, media, politics, masses, accounts. So you will see that these lines are going to flourish and will be most affected in the year 2021. People who are in the spiritual field or want to go for higher education, 2021 is a year which will bring a lot of scope for them. Yes, of course, people who are in the field of accounts, numbers and also in media, they will be affected mostly in year 2021. 2021 will be the year of masses. There will be major changes in the field of agriculture. The policies will be made in the field of agriculture. There can be policies made in the field of politics. Of course, there will be a lot of things will be done in politics, in religion, and also there can be something renewable policies in taxes also, because Mercury is a number for money and accounts. It's a number of accounts. So maybe some new policy can come in year 2021. So now let's talk about the personal year of number 1. The people who have got date of birth number 1, 10, 19 and 29. So how the year is going to be for them? Yes, of course, it is going to be rewarded year because number 1 is governed by Sun. So Sun is the governor of number 1, and as we see that it is governed by number 1 and they are, Mercury is called Sun and Sun is called Father. So relation between father and son may get little more on the tense side, but certainly they have to take care of their balances. Bank balances have to be taken careful. Father will be helpful to them. The business will bring a lot of progress, especially for the people who are in the field of media, because Mercury is also a number which can be just taken. People take so many things for granted also. So it's time not to take things for granted, but to apply new techniques in their work and have little patience in them. As they will have patience, they will experience that by the year end, they will be getting more progress in their life. Of course, there will be an attraction. People will get attracted towards them and then they can go for long trips, but they should manage their money well till the month of April, and by the end of the month, by the beginning of the new financial year, if I see, they can have some financial problems. So they should take care of their finances and their money very wisely and decide it very wisely. 2021 will be beneficial for people who are away or who are industry in the communication, who are in a different country, who are also it's time for them to get married, but of course they should avoid the selfish part. Yes, that is very important, that they should avoid the selfish part, because as they become a little more selfish, the things will turn difficult for them. Land related deals can be made. They have to do Now what they have to do is that they don't have to be little more careless. They should avoid carelessness, and they should try to get best out of their opportunities. Lucky number is 1, 3 and 9, and lucky days are Sundays, Thursdays and Tuesdays. Now let's talk about number 2. Number 2, people who are born on number 2, dates 2, 11, 20 or 29, the personal year, the prediction as per personal year number 2 is that number 2 is ruled by moon. So as it is ruled by moon, they have a kind of a charm in them. They are very, very sensual and very sensitive, and they get affected very fast emotionally. So even if they got a life path number 2, they have to be a little careful while making their friends. They can face problem from their maternal side, maternal uncles. Yes, they will be having a good relation with their mother, but they need to have some patience, because as patience I see less in them, because Mercury is sun and 2 number is moon, is a mother. So mother and son relation needs little more care. They should be able to solve their problems with the help of mother. So I will suggest them to be little more friendly side with their mother, and to of course consult also. If they are starting a new project, they should consult with their mother. They can launch new business endeavors. They can also launch new techniques. They will be making a lot of strategies. The people who are in the technology side will be experiencing little difficult time in their life, but of course they will be having long trips. The travel will be more. They should keep their accounts up to date. That is very important. Yes, few people will be who are in the trade industry will be benefited, and they can also work little. Travel industry is going to improve. Yes, as Mercury is a sign of communication and number 2 is also a sign of travel. So of course they should go a little more technical when it comes to their business. Their married life is going to be pretty happy, and of course they need little care from their neighbors. Yeah, anybody can just come and react and act to them. The students who are planning to go for higher education, this is just the right time if they want to study abroad or in a different country. They are going to get a lot of opportunities, but in the health part, they should take care of their lungs. That is very important. Now what to do? They should keep themselves healthy. So try to do little more yoga, and of course they should also try to be little more on the avoid the outside food. The lucky dates for them are 1, 6, 8 and 9, and the color is dark green for them, and the days are Sundays, Mondays and Fridays. So now it's time to talk about personal year for number 3, that is date of birth 3, 12, 21 and 30th. People who are born on these dates, they are governed by Jupiter, and Jupiter is transiting in the beginning of the year in the debilitated sign, so they must take care of their financial side. They should not invest blindly in mutual funds. That is very important. They will get more spiritual, and they will certainly look for a new job. They have to be careful while talking, and they have to be careful while in the behavior part. They should be very soft spoken. They can face a lot of disputes and a lot of problems. So avoid taking any kind of advice from anybody who you don't know, just to have a confidence on yourself. They can take wrong decisions, especially as I said on the investment side. They have to will be little challenging year, the next half year till the month of July will be a little more challenging, but after that the things will get better. If they have already got some disputes with their brother, or they are in the court cases are there, certainly the things will get more neutralized for them. Business wise, the year is going to be good, and especially the people who are in the teaching business, who are in the religion business, in astrology, in money business, accounts, goldsmiths. Also, the year will be neutral for them, and the year is significant for students. They will get good results if they have to work hard. And the year will be also significant for the people who are in a jewelry business. Yes, marriage can take place, and health part, they really need to take care of their kidneys. That is very important, and also the lower abdomen area is needed to be taken care of. Now what to do? They should read their documents very carefully and wisely, and they should not plan anything in haste. That is something which can bring a lot of ill luck to them. And the lucky color for them is orange. Lucky number for them is 1, 3, 9 and 8. Lucky dates for them is Sunday, Tuesdays and Thursdays. In my next video, if you have liked my video, just subscribe my YouTube channel and just hit on the bell icon. And in my next video, I will tell you about the date of personal year for number 4, 5 and 6. So if you have got date of birth of 4, 5 and 6, do watch my video and do not forget to subscribe me. So have a wonderful 2021 year.